Welcome to the Easy English Learning Channel.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English Learner. Today, we are diving into essential daily use English vocabulary. Perfect for everyday conversations at home, work, and more. Let's get started. Nervous. Meaning: afraid of something. For example, I felt nervous before the interview. I was nervous before exam. Lazy. Meaning: unwilling to work or use energy. For example, she was too lazy to clean her room. I was feeling too lazy to go out. Talkative. Meaning: to like a talk a lot. For example, she was a very talkative kid. He's talkative guy, I struck up a conversation with him. Rude. Meaning: showing a lack of respect for others people and their feeling. For example, it's rude to ignore someone when they are speaking to you. She was shocked by his rude response to her question. Shy. Meaning: nervous or timid in the company of other people. For example, she didn't speak loudly because she was so shy. He was too shy to ask her for a dance at the party. Greedy. Meaning: you want more and more of something such as money or food. For example, he is greedy man. It's not good thing to be so greedy. Strict. Meaning: not allowing people to break rules or behave badly. For example, the teacher is very strict. My parents were very strict with me when I was young. Messy. Meaning: untidy or dirty. For example, I can't find anything on his messy desk. The house was always messy. Polite. Meaning: show respect for others people's feeling. For example, he is always polite to everyone. It was polite of him to hold the door. Tidy. Meaning: arranged neatly and in order. For example, his room is always tidy. I am tidying up my office. Brave. Meaning: showing no fear of dangerous or difficult thing. For example, she is very brave woman. I think you're a brave man. Popular. Meaning: liked or admired by many people, or by a particular person or group. For example, he is very popular in the university. Mr. Beast is the most popular in YouTube. Energetic. Meaning: showing or involving great activity or vitality. For example, I'm feeling quite energetic today. He is an energetic boy, he enjoys sports. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.